Have you ever wondered how that box on your wall magically turns a boiling hot room into a cool oasis? Most people think an air conditioner creates cold air, like a fridge creates ice. But here's the secret. It doesn't actually make cold. It removes heat. Think of your AC like a heat sponge. It soaks up the warmth inside your house and carries it outside, leaving only the cool air behind. Today, we're going to look inside the machine and see exactly how this heat sponge works in simple steps to move heat from inside to outside. Your AC uses a special fluid called refrigerant. This liquid is a master of change. It can turn from a liquid to a gas and back again very quickly. It travels in a never-ending loop through four main parts. First, the evaporator coil. That's the part inside your home. Second, the compressor, the loud motor you hear outside. Third, the condenser coil, the big unit in your backyard. And finally, the expansion valve, the gatekeeper that resets the whole process. Let's follow the journey. The journey starts inside your room. A fan pulls the warm air from your house and blows it over the evaporator coils. Inside these coils, the refrigerant is incredibly cold. Because heat always moves toward cold, the refrigerant soaks up the heat from your room air like a sponge. As the refrigerant grabs this heat, it boils and turns from a cold liquid into a warm gas. The air blowing back into your room is now chilled because the heat has been stripped away. But now, the gas is carrying all that unwanted heat, and we need to get it out of the house. The warm gas travels through a pipe to the compressor outside. The compressor squeezes the gas very tightly. When you squeeze gas, it gets even hotter, hotter than the air outside. This super hot gas moves into the condenser coils. A large fan blows outside air over these coils. Since the gas is now hotter than the outdoor air, the heat jumps off the coils and escapes into the environment. This is why the air coming out of the top of your outside unit feels so hot. It's literally the heat from your living room being dumped into the backyard. Now that the heat is gone, the refrigerant cools down and turns back into a liquid. It passes through the expansion valve, which drops the pressure and makes it icy cold again, ready to return inside. But the AAG does one more thing. It removes humidity. As the warm air hits the cold coils inside, water pulls out of the air, just like sweat on a cold soda can. This water drains away, making your home feel crisp, dry, and comfortable. And that is the simple science of how your AC keeps you cool. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and